Good morning, students of class 5. This is your English grammar class. Get ready with your English grammar book. Students, we already completed the chapters, the words that often may be confused, isn't it? And A and the, the word that often may be confused, okay? Then articles, A and the, then verbs, okay? So 3 chapters we already completed. Now today we will start a new chapter, simple present tense. Simple present tense, we know, for example, I go to school every day. This is simple present tense, okay? And with third person singular subject, we always add s or yes, okay? We add s or yes to the first form of the verb. For example, if I write I go to school, okay, this incident is happening at present, or it is a habitual action, okay, or this is permanent truth. These are the permanent truth is the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This is a permanent truth, eternal truth. For this sentence is simple present tense. Sun, third person singular number and the present form. That's why s is added with the main verb. For example, he goes to school. He third person singular number and it is also present form. That's why goes, s or es, okay, will be added to the root form of the first form of the verb, okay. Now let's discuss where to use the simple present tense. When to express the habitual action, when the action is done as a matter of habit, that is habitual action, then we use simple present tense. For example, I take rest in the afternoon. That means every day I take rest. That is my habit. For this kind of sentence, we use simple present tense, okay. And another thing is, just now I told the sun rises in the east. That is eternal truth, okay. That is permanent truth. It cannot be changed. For this type of event, for this type of incident, we always use, for this type of sentence, we use simple present tense, okay. And another is actions done repeatedly, okay. If I say I take rest in the afternoon, or in the okay, in the afternoon, that means this I mean taking rest is happening every day, okay, repeatedly. That's why we will use a simple present tense. Clear? Now come to page number 69. Come to page 69. Here number D, fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verb given in the bracket. So in the bracket the verb is given. Number D, I, one number. Bees dash to protect themselves from their enemy. Bees sting, okay. Number 2, these girls take. Why? Because these girls, plural number, that's why no s or yes will be added. Same thing for number 1. Then number 3, it is chapter number 15. My neighbor has a shepherd dog. It looks, here it is singular number, that's why, okay, it looks after the sheep very carefully. Number 4, you know these answers. No. Number 5, she dash excellent argument to prove her point. That means she gives. See, third person singular number and present tense, present form of verb. Number 5, she gives, okay. Number 6, the Rajdhani Express reaches. Number 7, Our bus driver follows all the traffic rules and drives the bus at a slow speed. Number 8. I remember. Number 9. Children, you always make. Can you see? Okay. Number 10. Number 10. He does first, but he does clearly. He speaks. He, third person singular number. He speaks first, but he speaks clearly. Okay, students. Now, come to number E. Speak out this. Okay, copy this. Speak out this sentence using the subject given in the bracket in place of I and making other necessary changes for oral practice. This is for oral practice. Okay, so we can practice that. Number 1, I like Western music. This in this sentence we will write. Here it is instructed that speak out this sentence using the subject given in the bracket in the place of I. Okay, so I like Western music. We will write Satish likes Western music. Satish likes. Number 2, I do the sums very fast. Renu does the sums very fast. Number 3, I take exercise regularly. John and Mary take exercise regularly. John and Mary take exercise regularly. Number 5, I fly kites on windy days. He flies, F-L-I-E-S. He flies kites on windy days. Number 5, I generally share my toys. You generally share your toys. You generally share your toys with your friends. Okay. Next. Number 6, I always brush my teeth before going to bed. Amit always brush his teeth. Amit always brush his teeth. Number 7, I usually carry an umbrella. She usually carries, C-R-R-I-E-S. She usually carries, C-A-R-R-I-E-S. Number 8, I never quarrel with my friend. Alok never quarrels, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-S. Alok never quarrels, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-S. Quarrels with his friends. Okay, students, clear? So today up to this we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye students. Bye bye. Hope this chapter is easy. You find this chapter easy. So bye students. Bye bye.